Welcome to Dumboo.
A for apple.
B for ball.
C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Today. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. A is. I for ice cream. J for jelly. 2. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. Nez. N for nest. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. Hill. U for umbrella. V for violet. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on Dumboo.